Okay, hello. This video is going to show you how to use a shortcut method using your Casio Prizm to calculate multiple combinations that have the same n value. Okay, so first of all, the example I'm going to use is a simple example um, where you could calculate it yourself fairly easily, but again, I want to show you how to do it on the calculator. So there's a couple ways you could do this problem. Okay, so first of all, the question is, a computer company offers up to 5 peripherals that can be purchased with a computer. How many ways can you choose the peripherals? Okay, so, sorry, I wanted to get an arrow here so I can point things out. Okay, so how many ways can you choose the peripherals? So according to this theorem, since there's 5 peripherals, that's going to be n, there are 2 to the 5th ways I could choose 5 peripherals. Okay, or 32. Okay, basically, that is because you can choose no peripherals, or 1 peripheral, or 2 peripherals, or 3 peripherals, or 4, or 5. And since order doesn't matter, these are all combinations. Since I said or between each one, the operation is add. Okay, so you could also do this using combinations by doing 5 choose 0 plus 5 choose 1 plus 5 choose 2, etc. Okay, however, on your calculator, this one wouldn't be that bad to do on your calculator, but imagine the list is even longer than this. Okay, it gets tiring to have to enter in all these same things because 5 is the same and combination is the same. All we're changing is R, the number of items we're choosing. So the calculator allows you to do this in a list format. So you can do 5 choose and then choose in a list. List notation is the curly brackets. And you just write out 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me bring my calculator back. Okay, so we're going to do this in the Run Matrix number 1 menu. Okay, so I need to type 5. I need to get my combination. So I need to go to Option. I need to hit F6 to scroll over to more options. And then in the middle, F3 is probability. There's my NCR. Choose that. And then now I make my list. So curly brackets are down here at multiply. So shift multiply gives me the curly bracket. Now make your list. 0, comma, 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, 4, comma, 5. End of my list. Close the curly brackets. Shift divide by. If I hit execute, it'll give me back an answer in list form. And what it's telling me is that 5 choose 0 equals 1. 5 choose 1 equals 5. 5 choose 2 equals 10, etc. Okay, so if you add this all up, notice you get 32, which was the answer we got in method 1. Now, that's not so bad to add up yourself because it's only 1, 5, 10, 5, 1. Okay, but this is a calculator. Wouldn't it be nice if it could add for us? So it can. So there's 2 ways to do it. You could plan ahead for this, or since I just figured out this list, I can still use this previous answer. Okay, but first I got to tell it to add up all these numbers. And again, on the Prizm, there's 2 different ways this can be done. So first of all, I need to exit out of my probability menu. I need to go to Option and go to List because we're going to choose an operation from the List menu. And then I want to go to F6, F6, scroll through the options. And the first one I'm going to show you is Sum, which is F1. So we want to tell it sum all the items in this list. So in order to do that, on the Casio Prizm, we have to tell it we're summing the list. So I did that kind of quick. List is shift 1. In yellow above 1 is the word list. And I want my previous answer, so I'm going to go shift negative sign for my previous answer, hit execute, and it gives me the 32. Or is, let's say I wanted to find out all the different possible sums. So like the sum of none and 1, which obviously is 6, or the sum of none, 1, and 2, which would be 16, or the sum of none, 1, 2, 3, and 4, which would be 1, 5, 10, 26. Okay, so if you want cumulative sum, that's this choice, C-U-M-L. So cumulative, then choose shift 1 for list, and, uh-oh. Okay, so in this case, I can't use my previous answer because that's 32. So instead, I'm going to show you how you can do this in one step. You retype this line. And while I'm here, let's see if I can copy and paste. I believe this will work. Shift 8 is clip, copy line. And then I'm going to move back down using my arrow keys over here. Get to the end and go to shift 9 is paste. It pasted that in. So you can imagine if you knew ahead of time you wanted to find this cumulative sum, you could do that first. You have to say list because this answer is going to be a list. Hit execute. No data. Okay. Oh, you know why? I think. Do I have to be at the end? Shoots. Okay. All right. Take this back. Let's try to take out the word list. Little guess and check here. No. Okay. So how about this? Let's erase this whole line. See if this works. I don't want to start this video over again, so let's go back up. Let's copy this line. Shift, clip, shift, 8. Why is nothing happening? Shift, 8. Okay, let's put in the word list again. Paste. Dang it, gave me the same one. I don't know why it says no data. All right, let's do this. Ooh, let's try this. Let's move up here. Let's delete the previous line. Yes. Okay, now this is my previous answer. Let's see if this works. Okay, so again, gotta go back, go option, list, scroll over. Here's cumulative. Gotta tell it to do a list. And again, previous answer. Hit enter. Ah, that worked. Okay, so notice the sum of just the first term is going to be 1 because you're only adding that one number, so 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 5 plus 10 is 16. 1 plus 5 plus 10 plus 10 is 26, etc. And the last number then would be your answer of 32. Okay, so I hope that helps. So sum is a little bit nicer because, again, it will just give you that last answer of 32. Okay, but cumulative sum will add them up as they go. Hope this is helpful. Bye.